Assalamualaikum. Hi children. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine at home with your family. Okay, today Teacher Ayu want to show you an experiment about smell. Okay children, do you know which part of our body that we use to smell? Yes, that's right. It is our nose. Okay, children, let us start. Okay, children, do you know what is this? This is pandan leaf, or in Malay we call it daun pandan. Okay, children, pandan leaves are most known for their grassy aroma at first, but after being crushed or cut into small pieces, the smell mellows out to a more subtle and floral smell. Okay, children, what is this? This is turmeric, or in Malay we call it kunyit. Turmeric is mildly aromatic and has sense of orange or ginger. It also has a pungent and bitter flavor. Okay, children, what is this? This is onion, or we call it bawang. Onion has a strong and unpleasant smell. Okay, children, next one is lime, or we call it limau nipis. The scent is so strong. You can smell it from far. Lime also has a very refreshing scent that is tart, airy, and zesty. Okay, children, this is curry leaf, or in Malay we call it daun kari. It smells pungently of curry. Okay, children, this one has two connecting leaves. So, what is this? This is kaffir lime leaf. To smell it, you need to tilt it a bit. It gives a fresh lemon-like fragrance. So, to parents, you can replace this thing with anything that you have at home, such as cinnamon and coffee. Okay, children, now you already know the smells. So, teacher want you to cut it into small pieces and put it in a small container like this. Okay, to parents, you also can put it into a plastic container and put holes on the lid, or you can use a container like this and cover it with a net or thin cloth. Okay, children, teacher want you to smell this smelling jar, and you need to find out what is the smell, and you need to match it onto that you didn't cut. Okay, children, now let's start. Okay, first one. It has a strong and unpleasant smell. So what is this, children? You already know, right? This is onion. So you need to find onion. Where is onion? Yes, here it is. Okay, this one. It has sense of ginger. It also has a pungent flavor. So what is this? This is turmeric. So you need to find turmeric. Where is turmeric? Okay, there it is. This one. What is this smell, children? It has a very refreshing scent. So this is lime. So where is lime? Okay, here it is. It smells pungently of curry. So this is curry leaf. So you need to put it next to curry leaf. Okay, this one. It has a floral smell. So this is pandan leaf. Okay, the last one. It gives a fresh lemon-like fragrance. So this is kaffir lime leaf. Okay, children, now we already finished our experiment. So I hope you will enjoy this fun activity at home with your family. Okay, to parents, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.